Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore effective strategies to support elementary school children with specific learning disabilities at a mild severity level. This session is designed specifically for special educators seeking practical, step-by-step interventions. We'll start by defining SLD and its impact on learning in areas such as reading, writing, and math. Early identification and tailored interventions are crucial for elementary school children. Common signs of mild SLD in children aged 6 to 12 include difficulty reading, spelling, or understanding math concepts. It's important to observe individual learning patterns and strengths to provide effective support. Standardized assessments and classroom observations help identify specific challenges. We'll demonstrate how to set measurable, achievable goals using SMART objectives. For reading, targeted strategies include phonics-based instruction, guided reading, and multisensory approaches. For writing, focus on sentence-building exercises, graphic organizers, and stepwise writing tasks. In math, utilize visual aids, manipulatives, and repetitive practice. Emphasize breaking tasks into small, manageable steps and providing positive reinforcement and consistent feedback. Classroom adaptations include extra time, reduced workload, assistive technology, and peer support. Collaboration with parents and regular teachers ensures consistency across learning environments. Regular monitoring and data collection are essential to adjust interventions as needed. Encourage celebrating small achievements to motivate the child and foster a positive learning experience. To recap, supporting children with mild SLD in elementary school involves understanding their needs, setting SMART goals, and implementing targeted strategies. Ongoing learning and collaboration among educators ensure every child's success.